Are you looking for the best automatic window cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best automatic window cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Hobot 388 Automatic Window Cleaner. If you tend to be on the move a lot, you might not be able to pay much attention to your windows. For that, this cleaner will get the job done in your place. The product comes with a special uninterrupted power system. Because of this, there is no risk of the robot falling off of the window and getting damaged while the cleaner is not being powered. Next, compatibility is not an issue with this product. The cleaner can be used on a glass of any thickness without any worry. Moreover, one great thing about the product is that the water tank on the item is replaceable. So you can change the tank instead of going for a whole new cleaner. At number 4. Onma's Automatic Window Cleaner. With this product, you can hope to reap multiple benefits. The item works on a number of different surfaces, helping you all around the house. From mirror to frosted glass, to marble or wood, this cleaner takes care of it all. Moreover, the cleaner also takes extra measures to ensure the safety of the item. For added protection, a safety rope is included in the package. As a result, makes sure the window cleaner will not drop down and be smashed when there is no power. Further, a number of different sensors are built into the product. Well, this makes the detection of the product much more efficient. At number 3. Coprose X5P Window Cleaner. When it comes to getting the job done swiftly, this product is absolutely unbeatable. The cleaner makes use of a motor-powered suction. This wipes your windows clear in practically no time. Moreover, the product makes sure you can get your hands on every possible component you might need. For the people who are not very technologically savvy, the item comes with an elaborate manual. As a result, walks you through all the functions without any complications. The product will not unnecessarily consume energy either. Once the job is done, it shuts down by itself. At number 2. Echovax Winbot Automatic Window Cleaner. If quality is what you are looking for, go for this product without any doubt. The window cleaner has a special suction fan, which makes sure the cleaner does not fall off the window. For further added safety, the product also comes with a tether system. As a result, secures the item to the window, eliminating any chances of accidents. The item has a 4-stage cleaning system. Hence, it takes care of everything from a little dust to deposited grime on the windows. Finally, the most important advantage of this product is that it comes with a cord-free design. At number 1. Hobot 298 Automatic Window Cleaner. This product is a true innovation, making your window cleaning a complete breeze. The device makes use of an ultrasonic water spray nozzle, in order to get rid of all the tough stains. Besides, the cleaner has a brushless motor. While this type of motor gets the job done even more quickly, it also maintains a whisper-quiet operation. Hence, you can do your tasks at peace. Whether you want to use the product through an app, or through the trusty remote control, the AI technology lets you do both to suit your convenience. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.